Okay, so today I'm going to be drawing Stitch, maybe a little bit smaller. The basic circle shape that they use. I'm going to stay with the Disney style as much as I can, and show you what I can, what I know with drawing. So the nose will be somewhere about the middle, lower than the middle, a little bit smaller, because I drew it a little bit smaller to get the ears in. Will be about here, and then a half circle for the ears, and then there's going to be a gap at the top and a gap at the bottom, and then the curve of the nose, and the eyes, they come out a bit of a diamond shape. With the eyes there, and all the circle, and push up a hair over, and one will go up, and then comes over, and comes out, in, out, in, stitch. Let's sign it RN 20. I'll sign it as RN Studio. And this will be Stitch. If you need more space at the top of your ears, just take another sheet of paper and use half of it if you need to get more space for your ears. If you draw it a bit bigger, I made it a little bit smaller, and then the curve of the mouth is a little bit tricky as well. Curves down and comes up into the nose. I'm not sure how wide the neck is supposed to be, so I think she left the neck out. And the ears come through the bottom. So I have a little dip in here for a peg bar. So if you want to make something like this, you could buy some wood and support sticks, then cut out like a square, so you can fit like a plastic plate in there and have a light going through. Buy like a flat light, maybe 20 bucks, 30 bucks, and you can have your own. Make it wide enough so you'll have to buy plywood or something, maybe spend 30, 40 bucks, or you could buy some kind of art table. And this is the marker. You could draw it in crayon, which I'm drawing in crayon, or you could draw it in marker. I'm using crayon. So this is my stitch, kind of. So I want to do some crayon drawing. Then you can do your shading. Make sure you get the little mouth in there, going down, and it curves it back up again. and then draw the cheek. And the main thing in this one, but this is RM Studio. I want to carry on the tradition of Disney parks. And Disney Studio did with their drawings. Maybe do something like this every once in a while to learn their style. I prefer drawing over digital, so this will help me learn Disney style. Besides comics, you could draw the eyeball a bit. There's a little bit of circle in the eye, and the eye is also kind of a bit of a oval, and a little bit flat side, and like an oval. And there's your little Stitch character. Angle out the shape a little bit better of the forehead. So mine has a little dip in here for a peg bar. So if you're gonna buy your table, you could get the plastic one, or you could get your metal one. Metal one's a bit more expensive. But this is your official animation student grade table. You can use it for painting if you need to. Just put a bar here, and you can put your canvas. And if we want to use it for drawing. So today we are using crayons. So draw with the blue crayon, and then you could do your shading with a black crayon if you want to. If you don't break your crayon, you could go in a little bit darker. And there is a little curve as well, or a couple curves. For Stitch, that's all I'm going to do. You can really define things a lot more in shape, but it's crayon, so it's a little bit fun, a little bit different how they draw theirs. They use high-end pencils that cost like $20-30 a pencil to get those really heavy black lines. And if you use your basic pencil crayons, or crayons will work for this. If you get the shape of the head, get your center line, and get some of the guidelines where the eyes will be, where the nose will be, and then balance out the rest of the shape. So this little Stitch character, I drew it because I don't have a printer in hand set up where I could print out something, and that's how they would do it, have a couple printouts and or pictures to help them with their drawing. Plus they have like a shoot down camera when they're filming and all that. So this is a very basic at home setup. Thanks for watching. I do want to keep that tradition going where they do the drawing on a table. And this is my animation table. So very easy to make some kind of supports. If you have some kind of wood on hand, you might need to buy the top part and cut out a hole to where you can put some kind of plastic. If you're good at cutting a circle, then you could cut out a circle, or a square. It will work as well. But I bought this off a student, so this is an official student animation table. It's not handmade. It is handmade, but it is official. It's not cheaply put together. It's got hinges, it's got peg bars, it's got supports. So it's, you'll pay a fair bit, but it's worth having one if you're interested in learning animation or drawing. Thanks for watching my little video on drawing Stitch.